AI predicts that the sports stadium of 2025 will be unlike anything we've ever seen before, a futuristic arena where technology and design merge seamlessly. The roof will open and close automatically like smooth mechanical pedals, adjusting instantly to the weather for perfect comfort. Inside, floating holographic scoreboards will replace traditional screens, displaying scores, stats, replays, and 3D visuals right in the air, visible from every angle. The entire field will transform into a giant LED surface that lights up with team colors, live animations, and real-time graphics, turning sports into an immersive visual experience. Above the field, AI-controlled drones will capture every angle silently and smoothly, giving fans both in the stadium and at home the ability to see the match like never before. Seats will become smart, adjusting temperature automatically, offering charging ports, personal speakers, and vibration feedback for exciting moments, while autonomous robots deliver food and drinks directly to fans. Ultra-fast connectivity will let everyone stream, share, and interact with AR filters and instant replays without any lag. AI systems will monitor crowd movement for safety, guide people to exits, and respond instantly to emergencies. Together, these innovations create a 2025 stadium that is smarter, safer, faster, and more immersive, a future where technology doesn't replace the thrill of sports but enhances it, making every moment unforgettable.